Good morning. I hope everybody's doing well today. One thing I just wanted to reach out to you guys about was how to submit your work. Many of you are doing this no problem, but there's some of you that I'm sending a message to and we're just don't seem to be connecting. So I wanted to make sure that this message went out to everybody. So if you've got a friend that seems to be frustrated because Mrs. Tennant keeps sending back their assignments, you can help them out, or hopefully this video will help them out. So when you go into your STEM classroom, here you can view all the upcoming activities for the week, or you can go into classwork. Now classwork, I've got it divided. STEM assignments for this week. These were STEM assignments for last week. Notice the due dates on them. Okay. And optional items to try. Now, I'll get to this in just a little bit, but let's go back up to STEM assignments. You may look at this and go, well, I don't know which assignments are done. Well, up here it says view your work. So if you view your work, you can see which assignments you're missing, which ones have been assigned, what the due dates are. Again, the ones without due dates, you don't need to submit anything for those. Those are just optional, and I'll get to that in a minute on how we can deal with that. Anyways, so let's say you wanted to start with keyboarding assignment number 1. So you click here and it says no work has been attached, assigned. What in the world? View details. Okay. All right. Oh, okay. Well, I'll just mark it as done. No, you won't. Go in and read the directions first. Keyboarding assignment number 1, week 3. Type for 10 minutes in Typing Club. In the private comments, type the lesson numbers you worked on today. For example, lessons 88, 89, and 90. What is she talking about, private comments? Oh, private comments right here. Okay, so I'll type the lessons that I did over here. Then click Mark as Done. Mark as done. Got it. Okay, so I need to type for 10 minutes in Typing Club first. I go here, and I don't need to enter in my username and password because for most of you, all you need to do is sign in with Google. As long as it says STEM 3456, you're good to go. So you sign in with Google. Elena. I'll be Elena. Okay. So here it says join a class, otherwise just typing Jungle. So I'm going to start. And it has me starting all over. And for some of you, I know that's been very frustrating because you've worked so hard and now all of a sudden it's starting you over. So hopefully I went in and made some adjustments, and hopefully it will open things up for you so that you, if it does start you over, you can jump ahead to where you had left off. So I go in, I do my 10 minutes of typing, and let's say I did 15, 16, 17, and 18. So now I'm all done, and I go back in the private comments, type the lesson numbers. All right, so I think it was 15, 16, 17, 18, or 15 through 18. That's all you need to do, okay? You can send those private comments to me and mark your assignment as done. And that's all there is. Then you can go back to Google Classroom and take a look at your next assignment, okay? Let's go into here. Oh, I just clicked on it. I didn't actually read the directions. I better go back and read the directions first. Okay, so, and this is in the stream. Here's classwork or viewing all of your work. Okay, so let's take a look at STEM activity number 1. I see that's missing from last week. So I'm going to view those details and choose one activity to complete from the list. Notice that? Choose one activity. So you don't do all of these, you just choose one activity. Okay? So you choose an activity, and then you will click on the attached link to view the lesson. So if I'm doing land art, I will click on land art and view the lesson. If I'm doing the lava lamp, I will click on the lava lamp and view that lesson, and then go ahead and perform the activity. Okay. Once I am done with my activity, I will open my assignment here, and then in private comments, type a summary about which activity you did and what you learned from it. Oh, okay. So which activity did I do? Well, I did, let's say I did the cotton ball launcher. I did the cotton ball. I can never remember if cotton ball is one or two words. And you know what? I'm going to go up here. Now you don't have to do this, but I've noticed some of you kind of getting fancy on me and creating a Google Doc to submit your information. You can even put a picture on there if you want of you with your creation. I made a There, that's all you need to do. I made a cotton ball launcher. I learned that I need to use the same size rubber bands on both sides or it won't work. Okay, then you can turn it in. When you're ready to submit all of your files for this assignment, remember to turn it in. All right, got it. Okay, turn in. And there you go. Okay, so now I can go and look at my classwork, or I can look at what I have to do yet for this week. And notice, turned in, done late. Again, try to get your stuff to me on time, but turned in. So now you're just waiting for a response from me or a grade from me. If oh, look, keyboarding assignment. A grade has been returned. So if you turn something into me and then I return it back to you and there's no grade, chances are, I've been pretty good about making sure that the grade is in there, but chances are, if I've returned it back to you and there's no grade, that means that there's a comment. So let's look here. This one was assigned. It doesn't show turned in, but I do see a comment here. Let's take a look. Read the directions again before submitting your work. Oh, okay, I better go and read the directions. Oh, I didn't submit anything over here, so I better do that and then I can submit my work. So hopefully this helps some of you and clears up some of the confusion about why things have been getting returned to you, or you going, I thought I returned that. I thought I turned this in. So please make sure that you are reading the instructions before doing the activity and submitting your work. Okay. All right. I'll talk to you guys later.